Dumpster rental service in Pennsylvania. At Hart & Son Cleanouts and Container Services Incorporated, we provide top-quality dumpster rental services in Pennsylvania. Whether tackling a home renovation, cleaning a garage, or handling a construction project, we have the correct dumpster. We offer a variety of dumpster sizes, ensuring you get the perfect fit for your project. Our process is simple: call us, and we'll deliver the dumpster to your location. Once you're done, we'll pick it up promptly, making waste disposal hassle-free. Our dumpster rental service in Pennsylvania is known for reliability, affordability, and outstanding customer service. We take pride in serving homeowners, contractors, and businesses across the state. When you rent from us, you can trust that your waste will be disposed of responsibly. We follow all environmental regulations, ensuring your debris is handled eco-friendly. We believe in transparency. There are no hidden fees or surprise charges. What you see is what you get, and that's why our customers trust us again and again. Need a dumpster rental fast? No problem. We offer same-day and next-day deliveries so you can keep your project on schedule. Let us take care of your waste removal needs with our efficient, cost-effective, and professional service. For the best dumpster rental service in Pennsylvania, call us today at 610-656-9177. Let Hart & Son Cleanouts and Container Services Incorporated help you keep your space clean and clutter-free.